So how to create a campaign on Delivery? You can either go to campaigns and click on create campaign, or just click on create new campaign button from here. When you create a new campaign, you can just add the respective name and select the lead list that you want to send emails to. You can select the domains. You can select multiple domains if you want to send, increase the volume of sending. Out here, select any number between 1 to 100 that you want to send per day, or leave it on auto managed. You have to add uh, the destination of the emails where you will receive all the replies. For example, you send an email campaign to this entire list, and some people reply back to you. This All these replies will be then forwarded to this particular email address that you add before starting the campaign. And if you do not add anything, then it would be this email. These replies will be forwarded to the registered email address that you have added. The next thing here is to select the days on which the campaign is going to be sent. So by default, all days are selected, but you can remove any days that you want to exclude from sending. You can also select the time zone in which these emails will be sent, any particular time to and from time. So if you want to send to people between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., you can select that particular time and the time zone in which it can be sent. Once you're done, you can just simply click on proceed and your campaign is created. Once your campaign is created, all you have to do is go to email sequences and write your content. And once you're done, you can send a test email. And for the test email, you can add multiple destination addresses where you want to receive the test email. And once you click on send, you can verify the email that is received. And then you can proceed with reviewing the settings and starting the email campaign.